안녕하세요. 하나하나 한국어입니다. In this video, we're going to learn the Korean equivalent or. So in English, you use or for either case of noun listing and verb listing. But in Korean language, you have to distinguish when you list nouns from listing verbs. Noun or noun and verb or verb are different. Okay, first of all, let's test yourselves. Please translate the following sentences in Korean language. If you can do it absolutely correctly, you don't have to watch this video. Pause the video. Let's try. Okay, let's do it together. A textbook or dictionary. 어떻게 말해요? 교과서나 사전. How about the next one? The dictionary or textbook. 어떻게 말해요? 사전이나 교과서. Okay. What's the difference between these two cases? Exactly. 받침 없어요. There's no final consonant. We use 나. 받침 있어요. When the word ends with a consonant, we use 이나. Okay, we have to distinguish 나 or 이나. Okay, when you list two nouns, we have to say 나 or 이나. How about the next one? I study or exercise. 어떻게 말해요? 저는 공부하거나 운동해요. Next one. I eat or sleep. 저는 먹거나 자요. Aha. In this case, when you list verb or verb, we don't have to think about the 받침. We use exactly the same particle 거나 here for the verbs. 자, 어떻게 만들어요? How do we make this? 공부하거나. What's the base form? 공부하다. Get rid of 다 only. Again, get rid of 다. You should leave 하 here. Okay, so 공부하 left and then you put 거나 at the end, so it becomes 공부하거나. How about 먹거나 here? What's the base form? 먹다. Get rid of 다 and put 거나 at the end, so it becomes 먹거나. So for when you list verbs, when you list verb or verb, we have to use 거나. Let's do some exercise for listing noun or noun. So number one, 가방 or 우산, a bag or an umbrella. 어떻게 말해요? 가방이나 우산. Second, 운동화 or 모자, sport shoes or hat. 어떻게 말해요? 운동화나 모자. 구두 or 양말. Shoes, formal shoes or socks. 어떻게 말해요? 구두나 양말. Final one, 핸드폰 or computer. Mobile phone or computer. 어떻게 말해요? 핸드폰이나 컴퓨터. Very good. 자, 받침 있어요. 받침 있어요. We need 이나. 받침 없어요. 받침 없어요. We need 나 here. Okay, we mastered it. 자, let's practice listing verb or verb. So let me point this out. We don't need space between these first verb and 거나 part. This is basically the particle, so it's a part of the first unit, okay? 자, I listed two base forms of verbs. So we're going to list 좋다 or 나쁘다. First of all, you have to change this bit to express 거나, isn't it? And for the final part, please stick to the informal polite form, spoken form. How does it end? 요, 아요, 어요, 해요. Okay? So for example, 좋다 or 나쁘다, good or bad. 어떻게 말해요? 좋거나 나빠요. Okay. 자, we should conjugate this bit as well. Look at this word, 조건한. We have phonology rule here, linking phoneme between these two, isn't it? So whenever this basic consonant meets sound, it becomes aspirated. So how would you pronounce it? 좋거나. So 좋거나, 나빠요. Very good. Number 2, 먹다 or 마시다. Eat or drink. 어떻게 말해요? 먹거나 마셔요 conjugation. 자, number 3. 자다 or 일어나다. sleep or get up. 어떻게 말해요? 자거나 일어나요. The last one. 여행하다 or 책을 읽다. travel or read books. 어떻게 말해요? 여행하거나 책을 읽어요. I prepared for a little bit more complicated sentences than the previous ones. Please pause the video and make these sentences into Korean. Let's do it together. Number 1, I will meet Sujin or Minsu. Aha, this is noun or noun. So we need 나 or 이나. Also, 받침 있어요. So we need 이나. So, 저는 수진이나 민수를 만날 거예요. 자, the verb has to be the future tense because it says will meet. Number 2, I want to eat a pizza or a hamburger. 자, here, pizza or hamburger. 피자, 받침 없어요. So we need 나 here, isn't it? So, 저는 피자나 햄버거를 먹고 싶어요. Look at this grammar point. 고 싶어요. When do we use it? When you want to say, I want to. I want to. Number 3. We will climb a mountain or swim. 자, we do have this expression to say to climb a mountain, isn't it? 등산하다. So basically these two are verbs. Climb a mountain, a verb. Swim is also a verb. So we need what? 거나. 우리는 등산하거나 수영할 거예요. So you have to be careful first. 하거나, because the base form is 등산하다. So get rid of 다 and you put 거나. So 등산하거나, climb a mountain, or, and the second one you have to be cautious, 수영할 거예요. Why? I put the future tense here. Number 4, I will go to the library or study at home. Okay. With or in between, what do we have? Go to the library and study at home. So this is basically listing two verb phrase, isn't it? So we need 거나 here. How do we say? 저는 도서관에 가거나 집에서 공부할 거예요. We have to remember this 거나 has to put after the first verb. Okay? 가거나, first verb. And 집에서 공부할 거예요. 자, 공부할 거예요, future tense. Will study. Will study. Very good. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.